For reflective replacement, the first step is to remove the cover plate using a 2.5 screw. Then we can see the motor part and the motor wires. We need to carefully remove the motor wires. Generally, it is done using both hands on either side. Now that the motor wires have been removed, we can take out the motor through a screw here. Use a number 2 screw to loosen. At this point, we apply some force to tighten this position, then take out the motor. Be careful when taking it out to avoid any bumps. Then use masking tape to seal this